After years of dreaming and months of preparation, I have finally packed my bags and moved to Madrid as an exchange student for 4.5 months. The past few weeks have been an absolute dream, and I am really excited to share the bits and pieces of my life as I go on this unbelievable adventure. Here are snippets of how things have been going for me since I have arrived. My first day of classes was fun. I had comparative cultural studies. I really liked the professor. All of my classmates are from different places, and so I am getting to hear different perspectives, and that's really nice. After that, I had a 4-hour or 3-hour vacant, which was pretty annoying, but I ate with my friends. Then after that, I went to my last class, which is current international issues from a Spanish perspective, which again, it's really nice to hear their point of view and all of this. At most, I have 3 classes per day, which is really crazy. So that's my first day, and I don't know what I'm gonna do, but yeah.
Hi vlog! Long time no feature.
I know. No?
Si ça me donne pas manger avec des gens, j'ai le droit de manger toute seule en paix dans ma chambre.
Hey, how would you say his name?
Aurélien.
Aurélien?
Aurélien.
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 Non, Aurélien.
Aurélien. Oui, Aurélien.
Have you tried a Filipino?
Let me use all my.
I haven't tried a Filipino.
I've had maybe 10.
Where?
Yeah, you've had 10 Filipinos.
They're really good too.
They're really good.
Okay.
Let's get breakfast.
Uno jamón, uno queso.
¿Jamón queso? Sí. ¿Algo más?
Croissant con chocolate.
Uno con chocolate.
Sí. Gracias.
Good morning, everyone. Today we're eating breakfast, and I'm supposed to go to the gym with Salome, which
You are going.
I still will.
Babe, we're already paying for money.
Your first exercise that we're going to start off with is a goblet squat. Nice and slow, we're focusing on core.
Me siento tan dispuesto a treparme ante tu balcón, intenso, atraído por tu mente fuerte redacción. Te burlas, pero existe una lúcida interconexión. Cuéntame tu historia, exploremos.
It's so sunny today, but today I'm going back to school. Not back to school, I'm going to school. I only have 1 class, then I'm done. I got this from the residence, and I'm happy I got it because I'm really hungry now. I know what it tastes like. Mamon. I love mamon. I'm back in this angle again because I'm home, and now I'm just going to journal. I don't think I would have the time to journal later. My friends and I, we are going to a horse racing event, which upon reading, I don't think there are any horses in there anymore. Well, there's the horses, but they would arrive. I mean, they would race on Friday. Today is a Wednesday. And so, I have no idea what we're gonna do there, but have some fun. We'll see how the horses work. Also, look at this top. Which is my journal. So I really love that. These are my friends. Introduce yourself.
I'm Rio. This is Laya. Sexy.
Hi, Laya. Do you want to say hi? Look at her tattoos. I want your tattoos. I want to get one.
I have so many.
This is Diego. He likes Lewis Hamilton. So we're like best friends.
Yeah.
Besties.
Yeah. Team LH.
Yes. Hi.
Oh, you don't know my name.
I know your name. Of Fernando. Come on.
It's because
He likes Fernando Alonso.
I hate both persons. I love Fernando Alonso and you love Hamilton.
Yeah,
I do
it's
not
so
like
bad.
Lewis Hamilton.
Carlos Stein. I like Carlos Stein better
exactly
than
the same.
No,
That's annoying. That's annoying. I mean,
okay.
he's Spanish, so like I get it. This mine's coming out in 3, 2, 1. There she is. It's funny because we're like a cult.
We're here. We made it.
Good afternoon. Our class just finished and now we're just gonna do some shopping.
You're just gonna.
I need a bunch of stuff and now I'm walking and then I'm just some shine.
Ariane has such a good accent.
She does.
It took 12. It's Zubi here.
Good morning, everyone. Today is a Sunday. I'm going to El Rastro, which is like a flea market in Madrid. It happens every Sunday. We were supposed to visit last week, but then it was really rainy. And so now I'm finally going. I'm super excited. And I think a couple of us are going, but only one has confirmed as of this morning because they're probably all asleep. It's a beautiful Sunday, great weather. Just follow me around. And I think that's pretty much my agenda for today. El Rastro, read a couple of readings, and let's see what happens today. Let's go. I want to show you guys a couple of the stuff that I got from the thrift shop 2 days ago and yesterday. I got this Arsenal shop. I got this Arsenal shirt, which really made me happy. I think I'm gonna go for the like Australian uniform school kid vibe. I just really like it with a tennis skirt or like low-waisted jeans or shorts. I don't know. I just see multiple possibilities with this one. Plus, it's Arsenal, so I just had to get it. I also got this dress, which I definitely will be wearing today in the flea market. It's really so cute. Oh, it's really very cute. I thought it was gonna be big, but it is quite big, but I really love it. It reminds me of the Reformation dress I got before, but I sold. But this one is in blue and I really love the print. Very vintagey. I also got another shift dress, which is here. So I'll show you guys. It is just very pretty and very sophisticated. And look at the neckline. Can you see that cutout? I just love it. Now we're going to El Rastro after like 2 hours of preparing and 2 hours of peeing.
I was shaving.
This is pretty cute. I just don't know if it's like my style, honestly. I don't know. It seems too Y2K to me.
Dejando naufragar todos mis sentidos.
We're going home
We're going home, guys.
because we're tired.
It's a wrap.
It's too hot
It's a wrap.
and the coffee was pretty bad.
We're closing, pero we're gonna have a final performance.
Enough.
And I can't shove my fist in your childhood dreams, so why you sharing all this information with me? It's not.
I'm a bite. Hey, 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 hey. Get off my crib, get off my ride. Put it inside. That's right.
That's right. And
Whoa.
I'm turned on.
I'm turned on.
He said that.
Period.
Yeah, but only in summer go to the Socializing. Like Puerto Rico. Do you do vlogs?
I do. Danny, say hi.
Yeah, but like, it opens up a lot of doors.
It shouldn't be this hard to lecture game, but it is. What is ho? What's up? Wait.
What is going on?
What's going on, guys?
Can I vlog? Yes, of course.
I can't vlog.
Hey guys.
I'm still vlogger.
Yeah.
Now we're on our way back to This is my new friend. I meet my new friend 2 hours ago, but no, 2 hours no, 1 hour ago. So nice person. We are very close. Thank you. What's your name again? Aida. Your name? Lydia. Hey guys, you like my outfit? Oh yeah. First glance at my outfit. I love the shoes. Yeah.
Balenciaga bag.
Hello.
Hi everyone.
Here.
Oh, thank you.
You are viral. I think back.
I am not viral.
You are viral. Back to the hood.
Right now, I don't know what to feel. I was literally just telling my friends that I haven't been feeling very homesick, which is great and stuff. But now I think it's sinking in. Feeling ko binati ko siya. Oh, well, that's that. And it's really rough. Sometimes you just get really, like, you feel super happy as an exchange student and you're like, oh my gosh, this is a crazy life that I live. But then I am like miles and miles away from home, and this is just so different from how it is in the Philippines. And sometimes you just kind of miss that comfort and like that like feeling of familiarity and stuff. What am I saying? Basically, I just feel, I don't know what to feel. I feel a little confused. But yeah, we power through. And I think they're still going to hang out tomorrow. I mean, I think they're still going to hang out tonight, but I do not think that I have the energy for that. So I'm just probably gonna stay in, maybe edit this vlog. We'll see. Yeah. Hi everyone. I am going to Goya to get some storage organizers, and I think that's it. I'm going to try on some gazelles because I've always wanted, I want their green new shoe, so let's see if I can try that on today. I don't have classes every Monday, so that's very fun. We've made it. Now, let's do this. I call this day the getting my crap together day, because I think I got it. I got it together. This is a grocery haul. I actually saw my friends there, which is funny. Thank goodness for Spanish friends, because they told me which was which. I got a sponge. I got paper plates, finally. I can take out in peace. I also got this duck thing. No, like my friend told me it's a duck thing. But I got a toilet cleaner. And apparently this is the very basic one, according to Nano. And I also got like an incense. Incense? Is that what you call it? And what else did I get? Huh? No. Huh? Did I drop it? This is impossible. I bought dishwasher. Did I drop it? I must have dropped it. I'm back, and guess what I left behind? I went there and I was like, where's my stuff? Obviously I didn't say that, but then I was looking for my dishwashing soap, and then the guy was like, oh mira, and then this one. Okay, now I'm fine. I suppose I really have to get my stuff together now. What do? I have to eat dinner first. Then I'll clean, then I'll sleep. This is my outfit today. It's a little bit more dressy because I'm going to be eating hot pot with indigo. And guys, I really am not a tote bag person. I ordered a backpack from Dickies and it's supposed to arrive tomorrow, and I really cannot wait because as much as like tote bags are fun and like they look cute, this is from Bagu, by the way, I just can't. It's just too heavy on my shoulder. I'm just not a shoulder weight bearer or something. I don't know. Just a normal tank top. This skirt is thrifted. And my tabas, of course. My class is just finished. Now I'm going to get some coffee. I really like that class. Plus, I really like the professor. But yeah, I'm just gonna get some coffee. Oh no, it's against the light. Here are my classmates. We're taking comparative cultural studies, and
We are going to do a presentation about
Yeah.
Kim Kardashian. I wanted to be able to hear.
right now we're eating lunch. Hey. And I have 4 hours of free time. Yeah, we can stay in the library or something.
Fine.
Nunca vas a comprender que yo te quise. Nunca vas a comprender cómo lo hice. Tú me hablabas del amor, de eso tan bello. Te faltó por demostrar que eras capaz de vivir aquello.
Hi guys, we just finished our dinner. It was really good, and we're very full, and we're wearing the waisted skirts,
And I stained mine.
oh no, but it was a productive day. Now we're gonna get some churros, because even if we're full, we still have some space for dessert. Always.
Always, always, always.
She keeps on coming up with this shit. Like, it's like the thing that you told me.
Clases español.
Cona. Clase número 1. Cona. No, cona es coño.
No, it's okay.
Cona es coño.
Pito, culo, teta.
Bruja.
Pito, culo, teta. Todo lo necesario.
And then like the bad words like
Mierda.
mierda,
Joder.
Polla.
Gilipollas.
so yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you guys.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, bye, bye.
Viene el nano a dejarme el globo. Fernando.
Fernando.
Quiero sentir al despertar que no hay vacío en mis manos, pues solo tengo aquellos recuerdos que el tiempo dejó.